Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. With me today from Koligo Therapeutics is CEO Matthew Lehman and Chairman Peter James. Gentlemen, welcome.
Hi, Jessica.
Thanks for coming and welcome to Sydney. First up, let's start with you. Just give us an introduction to the company, Matt.
Sure. So Koligo Therapeutics, we are planning to conduct our IPO here in Australia on the ASX in the next month. We are a regenerative medicine company and we do 3D bioprinting for organ replacement technology. So this is a platform technology to develop a number of interesting products. Our first commercial product is a product called Koligo. This is a curative treatment for pancreatitis, chronic pancreatitis, that we've started marketing in the US. And we're looking to raise money at this time to scale up our production and sales capacity for that product, Koligo.
Now let's talk about your treatment and your portfolio of treatments.
So first, and our first commercial product is Koligo. So this is a solution for TPIAT. This is available currently in the eastern half of the United States, and we will be looking to expand that nationwide across the United States and North America. And into next year, we will be looking at potential international expansion as well. So Koligo, it is a product made of your own islets. Islets are the cells that make insulin in your pancreas. So in this TPIAT procedure, when we remove the patient's pancreas, we are able to isolate and save those islets. We formulate those into an IV bag called Koligo. We send that Koligo back to your doctor, and the doctor will then infuse that into your liver to achieve longer-term glycemic control. So this is a process that has been transformative for patients with chronic pancreatitis and improves quality of life, drastically improves pain, and is growing in acceptance in the medical community, both in the US and internationally.
And what can you tell us about the Koligo version 2?
Koligo version 2 is an extended stability version of Koligo. We will be looking at a shelf life of about 24 to 48 hours. And with that type of shelf life, that opens up the larger markets across the US as well as internationally.
Thanks, Matt. Now can you tell me about your 3DV technology and the products that you're developing in that area?
What we're doing with our 3DV technology is to pre-vascularize cell and tissue to improve transplant technology, and then also put those cells or tissues into a three-dimensional sphere. And we use a 3D bioprinter to actually print these spheres that include the cell or tissue and this pre-vascularization technology. So we believe we'll have less issues with rejection of transplants and have better engraftment and ultimately a safer and more efficacious product as compared to current approaches in cell and tissue transplant. The first two products that we're looking to develop out of that 3DV technology are one is Stylocel L, as we call it. This is a treatment for type 1 diabetes. So using islets that we're able to obtain from pancreas tissue, to bioprint those islets into three-dimensional structures that have been pre-vascularized and provide those for implant into type 1 diabetics. So that is a development stage product, and we look forward to seeing that through. Our second product that we're developing out of the 3DV technology platform is an improvement even over our current product, Koligo, for the treatment of chronic pancreatitis. We see this product as a multi-billion-dollar opportunity with shelf-stable, three-dimensional structures with the islets that have been pre-vascularized inside. Thanks,
Matt. Over to you now, Peter. How much are you looking to raise and where will the funds be invested?
There are numerous opportunities for us to invest that money. First, we'll be employing additional salespeople to take this proven technology, this platform into the market. Additional marketing expertise will be brought to bear, building out our profile in the US, and then in the coming period, we'll be moving internationally.
Thanks, Peter. And how can people find more information?
Jessica, they can access the prospectus, of course, online through also APP Securities and Novus Capital, and of course also through their own broker.
So Peter, you've got some extremely profound experience. Maybe you can tell us what really attracted you to Koligo.
I've got a lot of experience in commercialising companies and taking them to market. Perhaps household names that people might know of, such as Ionet and more recently Nearmap. And for me, Koligo is an absolute standout. Firstly, we've got biotechnology in market. We're addressing this significant problem that Matthew talked about, and we have a platform that is changing lives, is making a difference, is saving lives. Koligo, for me, is an absolute standout.
And so lastly to you both, why should investors really get behind this IPO?
We have a proven product. It's in the market. We have demonstrated sales. We understand our target market and the real critical need for these patients. This is a product that is reimbursed by every commercial insurer in the US, so we understand what the reimbursement is, and there's a lot of room to grow.
Wonderful. Peter James, Matthew Lehman, it's been a pleasure and good luck with the IPO.
Thank you, Jessica.
Thanks, Jessica.